Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be painting this beautiful tea light holder. This is a monochromatic tea light holder with a base is toned down with blush pink, and the shade of white I have used as the in the design. So from white to little bit mixing with blush pink, I have created the palette. So let's start making this beautiful tea light holder. Here I am using happy dotting tool to create the concentric circles. I am placing the dot in between the first two dots. So you need not be perfect in this. So it takes time to so for me also this part of the dots are really hard for me. Even I miss the gap, so not to worry, so it will happen with time. So once you are done with this design, we will start by creating the mandala design, the floral design. So here I have used a floral design which is a little bit uh, like big. Only one design I have used, but as the tea light holder is very small, and I have used my 12 stencil holder. So the in this tea light holder I had the center dotting, and which helped me to place my regular 12 sector stencil, and with that I marked the my grid lines. So this is a very beautiful palette. I have created a 30-inch mandala. You can visit my Instagram profile to view one of my favorite mandala till now, and one of my biggest also. My Instagram handle is creations by Sulagna, and do wait till the last because I will be sharing many tea lights holder. This is very small, but it's a very lovely on your living room dining table with a scented candle in it. So it just helps to bring a calmness to your living room with the artistic background. So do create this, tag me in your creation. Would love to see all your what you have created, and do write to me, do give me feedbacks and love, and um, share with your friends who would like to create this and make this tea light holder. You can also write to me if you like to buy it. Do give me a direct message in my Instagram handle. I'll be giving you all the details. Now let's see what more tea light holder design you can create. Hope you love this video and keep watching.